Alright, it is time for me to cut out this bumper. Alright, it is time for me now to cut out this bumper. Bigger hole for this intercooler so more air can go into it, because right now it is blocking off a lot of this. So this is exactly the same size and shape of the front mount. Put that on there for you guys and show you exactly how big it really is. That's what it looks like behind the bumper, and then when you look at the bumper, look how much covers it. So we're going to cut out, right now I'm going to put some tape down and figure out the shape that I want to cut out, and I'm going to show you guys, and then we're going to get a Dremel right there, and we're going to get to cutting this thing out. So let's do this. Alright, so I just put some tape. Ignore all these markings. I was just first trying markings. Anyways, so I put some tape and I'm trying to, you know, make it look like it's gonna cut out. Good. This is gonna be the first cut. See how that looks? It looks all janky and whatnot. Then I'm going to, you know, cut a little bit more. I'm almost debating on cutting it all the way up to the paint, you know, cutting all the black off up here. But we'll see. First we're gonna leave a little strip of black. Then we're gonna cut all this out. So we're gonna cut right here, right there. We're gonna leave it all the way up. So just cut right here. And cut this out, all this out, and then down there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this Dremel right here and cut out the bumper where we have the tape. So we're just gonna cut along right there. I'm gonna try to do it as steady as I can. Use my steady hands, and let's see what we can get done here. And at the very end, we will take sandpaper to this to smoothen all this out, so it's still gonna look good. Try to cut this off completely so that way I can just get this out of the way and have a little bit more room to work. If that even helps a little bit, we'll see. We're getting somewhere. Now obviously we're gonna need to cut these corners, but now I'm able to, you know, get this in here and this is gonna help me. Time to clean this baby up. So we're gonna cut these down a little bit more, cut this flush, and then cut this out. Alright, so right now I'm gonna remove this tape. So it doesn't stay on here for too long, kind of see what we got working with. Now you guys can see it's a lot more airflow is gonna come in here. It's my GoPro mount, if you guys are wondering. But now, as you guys can see, all these edges, they're pretty rough. As you can see. So now it's time to go back sand this all down, make it smooth, and not have all of this on there. And then all we gotta do is just slap the bumper back on and we're done. We got the bumper cut out. This is currently where we're at. Cut off all the tabs, tried to make everything as flush as I could. Now it doesn't look too bad. Obviously there's like little strands here and there, just rip off. But I still need to come through here and take off all the little tiny things that are sticking up. Could even do this with your nail, pretty easy, but I'm gonna use some sandpaper around the edges. It's gonna be a little easier, quicker. Super easy though, honestly. I wasn't following any instructions. I was just winging this thing and doing it myself, checking measurements, and you know, just however I think I want to have this looking is how I did it. But basically, here's the cardboard again. Let's just see how much of it would really be exposed. So that's the cardboard right there. As you can see, that's where the cut would be. So we've really opened up a good amount of the intercooler. Whether it's up here or up here, nonetheless, we still opened up a bunch of air. So anyways, I'm gonna clean this up and then we're gonna slap it onto the car and we're gonna see how it looks. I'm excited. All right, you guys, so now the bumper is ready to get into the car. I sanded it down. I think it looks pretty good. After I put it on, I will go back with some more touch-ups later because it's easy, you know. But I just want to get this thing on right now because I need to do an oil change and a coolant flush. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to Springfest. Let's get this onto the car and I'll show you guys exactly how this looks. All right, there's no room in this garage right now for me to show you guys, so I'm gonna have to take this car outside and show you guys then.